Let's make a honey cold process soap. The design will emulate a honeycomb on top. I'm using a regular bubble wrap. You will see how exactly I'm doing this in just a moment. It's very easy though and fun. And I just need to cut it to size so it covers the mold. I'm using an amazing fragrance called Dark Honey and Tobacco. It's not a typically sweet honey scent and therefore popular with men too. This is the Blue Gold Mica from You Make It Up. The oils and the lye solution are at about the same temperature and it's time to combine them. I did also add some sodium lactate to the cooled lye solution. Now I stick blend to emulsion. It's time to add the colorant. This fragrance oil will discolor the soap, but I just want to give it a uniform color. It's now time to add the fragrance oil and it smells amazing by the way, so rich, sweet and spicy. I just hand blend it with my spatula to avoid thick trace and then we are ready for the pour. This is the wooden 5-pound mold with a silicone liner inside. Really nice and practical. By the way, all links to ingredients, equipment and tools are in the description box for you to check out if you are interested. This soap here is a very easy soap design, just one color and one pour. Now let's add the bubble wrap on top. Make sure you use the correct side and gently tap it down so the bubbles really sink into the soap to create the nice honeycomb look. The only thing left to do now is to wait a day and then see how it turned out. Here we are and I'm going to stamp it right after, so you can see as well if you are interested. The soap releases easily, as you can tell. Cutting is one of the most satisfying steps in soap making in my opinion, don't you think? Regarding the stamping, you can start with an end piece if you are not sure how your impression will turn out. I usually stamp immediately right after the cut, but depending on the recipe you might need to wait a little. I just give it a very light tap with the rubber mallet until I feel that the stamp sinked, and then I gently wiggle it out to reveal the nice impression. Before cutting the other half, I just clean the strings with some kitchen paper to get rid of all the soap residues. The discoloration will take place in the next few days. If you're interested in other soap making related videos, check out the playlist right here on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye!